All right, now we have gone on to S5, slope-intercept form. Find the slope and y-intercept. This over here is slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. M is the slope. B is the y-intercept. So I look over here, it says find the slope of the line y equals 3/5 x. So the number in front of the x is the slope. You see that right there? So it has got to be 3/5. Bam. All right, find the slope of the line. This is y equals 7/4 x plus 9. Well, slope, right? That's the number in front of the x. That is 7/4. Type that in, 7/4. Ba-bam. All right, find the slope of this one. Same thing, the number in front of the x. -7, 6. -7, 6. All right, I want one with a y-intercept. Aha! Find the y-intercept of the following equation. So y equals 10x plus 1/4. So the y-intercept comes last. There's no x next to the y-intercept. So in this case, it would be 1/4. 1/4. The slope is 10, but this is asking for the y-intercept. Done.